Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall app on Android that won't uninstall. So first of all, go for your settings, then apps and notification. Choose your that app you wanna uninstall. So okay, I'm just choosing one from here. Okay, if I go for this one and just tap on disable, because this disable feature is similar to uninstall. So yeah, you can just tap on this full stop also, and you can successfully disable or uninstall this your unusual app. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can uninstall app on Android that won't uninstall. So yeah, hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.